Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Rolling Hills Recreation. It's unfortunately a rainy day, but we're making the best of it. We got the car show going on. There's some cars out here right now. We'd like to welcome you guys to come check our Facebook page for future events. Facebook at Rolling Hills Rec, R-E-C. Check us for future events. We have tons of car shows. We have tons of dog meets. We have all types of events. Please check us out. My name's John. This is AJ.
AJ, new addition. We got pulled pork this year. We got hot dogs this year, available weekends only. We are doing nachos. We are doing chips inside as well. So come on out, check that stuff out. It's good food.
Thanks again, guys.
Hey everybody, it's Big E. Welcome to Big E's Auto. Levi's with us today, and we're at, where are we at today, buddy? We're at Rolling Hills Recreation Center. They have a car show today. They have miniature golf, which Levi and I might do a little later. We tried some of their ice cream, very good ice cream. We kind of indulged in that. We have a couple cars that showed up. Unfortunately, it rained this morning, so I think that put a damper on a lot of stuff. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit, see if some more cars show up, and try and get you guys some content on some cars. If the two that showed up here at this point are any indication of what's to come, I think we're going to be in for a great treat. All right, guys, it's Big E, so I'm back. So we got this Camaro here. I'm guessing, I'm going to say 68. Anyway, it looks like a first gen. It has a 350 turbo fire, 300 horse it says. There's some nice headers on it. Looks like ceramic coat. The upgraded air conditioning. Really nice work as far as fender wells, firewall, everything looks like it's been painted. The red on white is really neat. Also, as well, the interior has been redone. I forget if that's, maybe you guys can tell me, is that like a gated shifter? I'm not quite sure. Automatic, but very nice. Don't touch, Levi. And just the body work on this thing is really nice. There's one of the vehicles that's here. We'll get a look at the back. He has some American Racing. Looks like the, I believe those are torque thrust. These or something along those lines. With rear of the car. And that's right. It has a mini die-cast of the same car that's in there. So a really good example. And I'm going to move right here next door to this. Just something that's really, really, you don't see it a lot. And this thing is just a really, probably the best example that I've seen so far is this Ford pickup. I mean, it's, he has the wood, looks like the aluminum put in for the bed. And get a shot of the interior here. Now the only thing, I'm not sure, I guess, yeah, that would be, yeah, it is automatic, looks to me. From what I heard from this gentleman, told me it sat in the barn for how many years, but I'm not quite sure if that's a 302 or 350. So another great example, and shows rolled in here. I figure we might as well get going. Is a Jeep rolled in here. Levi liked this one. It says Rubicon. Like I said, I don't know Jeeps enough, but a very nice piece here. Hey, Levi, we'll get a look at this one. Nice wheels on it. Very rugged look. Some stitching on the seats. Red accents on there as well. But a very, of course, got the American flag, patriotic, which is great for the weekend. There's Memorial Day weekend coming up. So another great example. I mean, really nice, clean, blacked out taillights on it. Real nice piece on that. Another good example. All right, guys, one of the biggest nightmares of anybody who wants to have a car show or any kind of soft opening, anything, is that up there. Got some dark clouds, got some drizzle. It like downpoured here about 10 minutes ago, sending everybody inside. Unfortunately, not a lot of cars showed up, but the good part is this guy came in with an El Camino. You don't see many of these, especially in this kind of condition. There we go, small block, middle block carburetor on it with some headers, LED headlights on it. Very straight, very nice. I have to say, another great example of vehicles that did show up here today seem to me to be a very good quality vehicles, very good quality show vehicles, which is kudos to them and to the people who showed up at the show. So we're going to hang out here a little bit, see if anybody else shows up. Hopefully the rain's done for today, and we'll see what goes on from there.